Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make a very easy side dish, tamarind sauce. This dish goes perfect with ganji or paise. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. Take a small bowl of tamarind in a bowl and add some drinking water. Squeeze the pulp thoroughly. Add some more water and mix it again. Chop a small clove of garlic very thin and add it to this mixture. Do the same thing with the green chilli. Add a little bit of salt and mix it all together. You can also add chopped onions for extra flavor. And that's all you got to do. Your tamarind sauce is ready. If you don't feel like having anything else, or if you have nausea, then this is the perfect solution. You can refrigerate this mixture for 2 to 3 days. If you have followed any of my recipes, share it on Instagram and tag me there. Also follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.